What happens when machines start making decisions for humans? AI ethics is about guiding responsible artificial intelligence development. It focuses on fairness, safety, and human well being. As AI grows, ethical concerns become increasingly important globally. Machines learn from data that reflects human society patterns. If data is biased, AI can become biased too. This creates unfair outcomes in real world applications. Bias in AI can affect hiring and lending decisions. It can also influence healthcare and criminal justice systems. Ethical AI aims to reduce harmful, unintended consequences. Transparency is a key principle in AI development. People should understand how AI systems make decisions. Black box systems create trust issues in society. Explainable AI helps users interpret model behavior clearly. Accountability ensures someone is responsible for AI actions. Without accountability, harmful outcomes become difficult to correct. Privacy is another major concern in AI ethics. AI systems often process large amounts of personal data. Protecting user information is essential for trust building. Data misuse can lead to serious ethical violations. Consent must be clear when collecting user data. Users should know how their information is used. Ethical AI respects user autonomy and personal rights. Surveillance technologies raise significant ethical concerns worldwide. Facial recognition systems can threaten individual privacy rights. Misuse of such technology can lead to discrimination. AI can also be used for beneficial purposes. It helps in medical diagnosis and scientific research. Ethical balance determines whether AI helps or harms society. Developers must consider long-term societal impacts carefully. Short-term gains should not override ethical responsibility. Fairness means treating all groups equally in outcomes. AI systems should avoid reinforcing social inequalities. Inclusive data sets improve fairness in model behavior. Diverse teams help reduce bias in AI design. Ethical design begins at the data collection stage. Poor data leads to poor and unfair results. Continuous monitoring is required after deployment. AI systems can drift and change behavior over time. This makes ongoing evaluation essential for safety. Human oversight is critical in high-risk applications. Fully autonomous systems can introduce unexpected dangers. Humans must remain in control of critical decisions. Ethical guidelines vary across countries and cultures. Global standards are still being developed today. Cooperation between nations is necessary for safe AI. Military AI raises especially serious ethical questions. Autonomous weapons could act without human judgment. This creates risks of unintended escalation or harm. Many experts call for strict regulation of such systems. AI ethics also involves environmental considerations. Training large models consumes significant energy resources. Sustainable AI aims to reduce environmental impact. Efficient algorithms help lower computational costs. Responsible innovation balances progress and sustainability. Ethical dilemmas often have no simple answers. Trade-offs must be carefully evaluated in each case. Developers must weigh benefits against potential risks. Public trust depends on responsible AI behavior. Without trust, adoption of AI becomes limited. Education about AI ethics is becoming more important. Future developers must learn ethical principles early. Awareness helps prevent harmful design decisions later. Companies are increasingly adopting ethical AI policies. Regulations are slowly emerging in many regions. However, technology often moves faster than law. This creates gaps in governance and oversight. Ethical responsibility cannot rely only on governments. Developers and companies share moral responsibility too. Users also play a role in responsible usage. Understanding AI limitations is part of ethical awareness. Over-trusting AI systems can lead to dangerous outcomes. Critical thinking remains essential in AI-driven world. Ethical AI ensures technology serves humanity positively. The goal is beneficial intelligence aligned with human values. AI ethics ultimately guides how humanity shapes future technology. The goal is aligning AI systems with human values. This alignment problem is one of hardest challenges today. Values differ across cultures, societies, and individuals worldwide. This makes designing universal ethical AI extremely complex. Despite challenges, researchers continue building safer AI frameworks. Governance plays a crucial role in responsible AI deployment. Governments create regulations to limit harmful AI usage. These laws aim to protect citizens and privacy rights. However, enforcement remains difficult in fast-changing technology. International cooperation is essential for effective AI governance. Without coordination, rules remain fragmented and inconsistent globally. Ethical AI requires collaboration between engineers and policymakers. Philosophers also contribute to defining moral frameworks for AI. Interdisciplinary work strengthens overall ethical decision-making systems. Corporate responsibility is equally important in AI development. Companies must prioritize safety over short-term profit. Ethical review processes help evaluate risks before deployment. Red teaming is used to test AI vulnerabilities. This method identifies harmful behaviors before public release. Continuous monitoring ensures systems remain safe after launch. Our AI models must be updated when risks appear. Feedback loops help improve system performance and fairness. Public transparency increases trust in AI technologies. Open communication about limitations is essential for users. Education helps society understand AI capabilities and risks. Informed users make safer decisions when using AI. Misunderstanding AI can lead to overtrust or misuse. Ethical training should be part of computer science education. Future developers must learn responsibility alongside technical skills. Real-world case studies highlight importance of ethics. Past AI failures show consequences of poor design. Biased systems have caused harm in multiple industries. These incidents push demand for stronger regulations. Ethical auditing is becoming standard in tech companies. Independent reviewers assess fairness and safety of systems. Accountability ensures someone is responsible for outcomes. Without accountability, ethical violations go unchecked easily. Explainable. AI continues to improve transparency in decisions. Users can now better understand algorithm reasoning processes. However, explanations are still limited in complex models. Research continues to improve interpretability techniques further. Human-centered AI design focuses on user well-being. It prioritizes safety, dignity, and empowerment of people. AI should augment human abilities rather than replace them. Collaboration between humans and machines is ideal outcome. Ethical concerns also extend to emotional AI systems. AI that simulates emotion raises psychological concerns. Users may form unhealthy attachments to artificial agents. Designers must consider emotional impact of AI interactions. Another concern is automation replacing human jobs. Widely, ethical transition planning is needed for workforce changes. Reskilling programs help workers adapt to new industries. Society must balance efficiency with employment stability. Environmental impact of AI is also a significant issue. Large models require high energy and computing resources. Sustainable AI research aims to reduce carbon footprint. Efficient algorithms make AI more environmentally friendly. Ethical innovation includes responsibility toward planet health. Future AI systems may become more autonomous. This increases importance of strong ethical frameworks. Human oversight remains critical in all high-risk systems. Trustworthy AI is built through consistent, responsible behavior. Ethics must evolve alongside technological advancement. Continuously, static rules cannot address dynamic AI challenges. Adaptive governance systems are needed for future AI. Public participation improves legitimacy of AI policies. Society should be involved in shaping AI direction. Ethical AI reflects collective human decision-making values. It is not only technical but also social issue. The future of AI depends on responsible choices. Today, every design decision influences long-term societal outcomes. Ethical awareness ensures technology serves humanity positively, always. Responsible AI creates safer and fairer digital future. The goal is intelligent systems aligned with human good. AI ethics will become even more important in coming decades. As AI grows, its influence on society expands rapidly. Future systems may make decisions with minimal human input. This increases the need for strong ethical safeguards. Autonomous systems could operate in transportation and healthcare. Mistakes in such systems could have serious consequences. Therefore, safety must always remain top priority in design. Ethical frameworks must evolve with advancing AI capabilities. Static rules cannot handle rapidly changing technologies. Effectively, continuous evaluation ensures systems remain aligned with values. Human oversight should never be completely removed from critical systems. Even advanced AI can produce unexpected outcomes. Sometimes, these edge cases must be carefully tested and monitored. Robust testing helps prevent harmful real-world failures. Simulation environments allow safe experimentation before deployment. AI ethics also includes responsibility in data sourcing. Data must be collected legally and ethically from users. Unauthorized data collection violates privacy and trust principles. Consent mechanisms should be simple and transparent. Always, users should understand exactly how data is processed. Clear communication builds trust between humans and systems. Lack of transparency can lead to fear and resistance. Ethical AI promotes openness about limitations and risks. Honesty in communication strengthens public confidence significantly. Developers must avoid overhyping AI capabilities in media. Unrealistic expectations can lead to misuse or disappointment. Balanced messaging ensures proper understanding of AI systems. Ethical challenges also include decision-making in critical situations. For example, autonomous vehicles face life and death choices. These scenarios require carefully designed ethical decision rules. Different moral theories may suggest different AI responses. This creates ongoing debate among researchers and ethicists. No single perfect solution exists for all situations. Context-sensitive decision systems are being actively researched. AI fairness must account for global diversity and culture. What is fair in one society may differ elsewhere. This makes universal fairness extremely complex to achieve. Ethical AI must respect cultural and legal differences. However, basic human rights must always be protected. Discrimination prevention remains core principle of ethical AI systems, should be regularly audited for bias. Detection audits help identify hidden issues in model behavior. Corrective updates improve fairness over time. Gradually, AI accountability also includes traceability of decisions. Decision logs help understand how outcomes were produced. This is important for legal and ethical investigations. Without traceability, responsibility becomes unclear in failures. Ethical AI also considers psychological impact on users. Over-reliance on AI may reduce human critical thinking. Users should remain active decision-makers, not passive. Education systems must teach responsible AI interaction skills. Digital literacy becomes essential in AI-driven world. People must understand both benefits and limitations of AI. Ethical AI encourages healthy human-technology relationships. Overdependence on systems can reduce personal autonomy. Designers must ensure AI supports rather than replaces judgment. Human dignity must remain central in all AI systems. Emotional manipulation by AI is a serious concern. Systems should not exploit user vulnerabilities for engagement. Ethical guidelines restrict manipulative design practices strongly. Responsible design avoids addictive interface patterns intentionally. Transparency in recommendation systems is also important. Users should know why content is suggested to them. This increases trust and reduces misinformation risks. AI-generated content must be clearly labeled when possible. Deepfake detection tools are becoming increasingly important. Misuse of synthetic media poses societal risks globally. Ethical AI includes protecting information, integrity online. Researchers are developing stronger content verification systems, collaboration between tech companies, improved safety standards. Shared responsibility leads to better global outcomes. Ethical AI is not a destination but ongoing process. It requires constant learning and adaptation over time. Humanity must guide AI development responsibly and wisely. The future depends on ethical choices made today.